write a program to print Fibonacci series. So the Fibonacci series looks like this, right? So the next number is the sum of the previous two numbers. So if we sum these two, then we will be get this one, right? Same like for others, if we sum these two, then we will be get this number. So I will take two variables. Let's suppose I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 1, right? So these two, we know it will be start with 0 1, so I will print here. So print Fibonacci series, like I, like j, then I will give some space here, right? So I want to display like 10 numbers, so I will take like as a n is equal to 10. I will loop for loop. I will use a range function here. So 0 1, then 2, then n, right? So I has to sum the previous numbers like this, then I will get the next number. So after sum, right, I will just swap these things, right? Then j is equal to sum. Now I am printing the another number and just giving some space after that. Okay, so now we are getting the series like this. We will be get. So first time, right, at first iteration, so I is equal to 0, right, j is equal to 1, so we will be get as a 1. So this is the number. So after that, what we are doing is, so we are just swapping variables. Now I is equal to, we are assigning as a 1, like j value. See, j value is 1. Now we are assigning same like that. For j, we are assigning the sum. So here we are getting sum as a 1. So this is for first iteration. So same like for next iteration, right? Now I value become 1, right? J value become 1. So it will be give result as a 2. This number. Again we are swapping. If you observe, I is equal to j. Now j value here it is 1. Now j value becomes 2. So on next iteration, so I value becomes 1, j value becomes 2, right? So 2, so it will be give as a 3. See, like this. Again we are swapping. I is equal to j here it is 2, right? Then sum is 3, this one. So next iteration, what will happen is, so I value become as a 2, right? So then j value become as a 3. So we are getting as a 5. So like that, like this, it will be keep on update these values. So now we hard coded this number, right? So we will get this number from user. So for that, what we can do is, like n is equal to, we can ask input from user, enter a number. So we are just trying to convert, enter one, and whatever user enter, right, that one we convert into integer, right? We make sure user must enter a number, otherwise we will be get exception, right? So those things we will see later. Now we will ask user to enter a number. Let's suppose user ask like 15, so we will be print 15 Fibonacci series. For suppose user ask 13, so like that.